until 5:30 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Baldwin, or 19 miles northeast of River Falls, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Baldwin and Hammond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.